March 1974. Jacksonville, Florida. A family finds a perfectly smooth metal sphere in the woods. What happened next made national headlines. The metal sphere that moved on its own. The Betz mystery. This is where the story begins. The Betz family discovered the sphere after investigating a brush fire on their property. It lay in the ashes, untouched by flame, catching the light like a mirror. A perfect sphere, startling against the blackened ground. It was about 8 inches in diameter, weighed nearly 22 pounds, no seams, no visible markings. They took it home, curious but cautious. The first evening passed in quiet fascination. By morning, their discovery would feel stranger. 8 inches across, heavy for its size, solid, dense, nearly 22 pounds. No welds, no ports, no stamp, just steel. Or something that looked like it. They began to test what it would do and what it wouldn't. The family reported the sphere would roll on its own, change direction, roll back toward a person as if aware, avoid falling off tables, vibrating slightly, a low internal hum, so they said. It allegedly reacted to guitar frequencies, different tones, different replies, or so witnesses believed. Sound, vibration, motion. Sometimes it would follow invisible contours. Sometimes it would return to where it began. Behavior that felt intentional. Hours could pass with small, inexplicable changes. They checked for tilt, drafts, magnets, anything. Clues were scarce, certainty was scarcer, but the stories multiplied. And so did the attention. The story spread nationwide. Reporters called, cameras arrived, local TV turned it into a sensation. Curious spectators gathered. The Navy examined the object. Tests were conducted. X-rays revealed a dense metal interior. No external seams. Inside, concentrated mass. Answers, however, were careful and limited. Mystery made for good television. Measurements, yes. Conclusions, not yet. Whatever it was now a case file. And a headline that wouldn't fade. Not yet. Behind closed doors, tests continued. The Navy concluded it was likely an industrial ball bearing, possibly from heavy machinery, manufactured to exact standards, mirror smooth, incredibly hard. A solid metal body can hide denser pockets and imperfections inside. Skeptics argue all movement could be explained by uneven floors. A fraction of a degree is enough, and by human perception, our eyes and expectations. Vibration travels. We rarely feel it, but objects do. Instruments pick up what we miss. Resonance can seem alive when it's only physics. X-rays revealed a dense metal interior, consistent with industry. Large spheres exist in heavy equipment. Some are discarded, some get lost. And when polished, they can look otherworldly. Sometimes, stillness is the best data. Simple answers often win, but not always hearts. Yet questions remain. Why did it appear after a mysterious fire? Why did witnesses insist it behaved unpredictably? And why did the Navy keep it for testing? Some wondered if it interfered with signals or carried them. Others imagined origins off-world or projects never disclosed. A shell with something inside, possible but unproven. Measurements varied. Interpretations varied more. Memories sharpen what cameras blur. Stories agree on feelings, not always on facts. Enough strangeness to endure, enough doubt to persist. Physical, testable, and still a story that refuses to settle. Returned, but not resolved. Was it just steel, or something engineered beyond public knowledge? The Betz Sphere was returned, but the mystery never left. Some questions roll back to us. The mystery endures. The questions remain unanswered.